sa Bunsod de Mano and its historical background. The dance originates from the Ilocos region in the northern part of the Philippines. Sa Bunsod de Mano is a dance that reflects the values and customs of the Ilocano people, who are known for their strong community ties and agricultural practices. The dance is characterized by its gentle and graceful movements. It often involves intricate footwork and is performed in a circular formation, which is common in many traditional Filipino dances. Traditional Ilocano music typically accompanies the dance, featuring folk instruments like the kulintang, a set of gongs, and the guitar. Sa Bunsod de Mano is commonly performed during local festivals and religious ceremonies and community gatherings. It serves as a means of preserving cultural heritage and fostering social cohesion. The dance is also used as an educational tool to teach the younger generations about their cultural history and traditional practices. Sa Bunsod de Mano is more than just a dance. It's a reflection of the Ilocano way of life, illustrating their values, traditions, and communal spirit. As with many folk dances, it plays a crucial role in maintaining cultural identity and passing on traditions to future generations. Barangay Kanaan, ladies and gentlemen, with great pride and honor, Purok Sais Kalachuchi, proudly presenting sa Bunsod de Mano in their cultural dance performance.
Balik daw niya, balik daw niya.